और भी काम से कैसे आते हुए मस्त
भाई आगे कैमरे लगे हैं यार एकदम
टेलीफोन है एक साथ में
Can you just come closer? So can you just come?
presenting all our top 10 contestants. अच्छे वे में इस चीज को दिखाने की कोशिश की है। सो लेट्स कॉल वन बाय वन हमारे सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स टू बिगिन विद I would like to call upon Dushyant Singh from Jaipur. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। So let's have the AV of Dushyant Singh. मैं जाओ घर पे जाओ। यार दुष्यंत भाई आप इधर अभी नर्वस क्यों हो? मतलब हंस दो यार, इतने अच्छे अच्छे लोग हैं यहाँ पे। कैसा लग रहा है आपको, ये बताओ।
I'm feeling really good to be here. Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am Dushyant Singh. मैं गुलाबी नगरी जयपुर से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मेरी उम्र है 20 साल। And I am so proud that इस 20 साल की उम्र में I made it to the top 5 of this prestigious event headed by Parimal Mehta sir and getting judged by the most respectable faces of this industry. Thank you guys. And if I tell you about myself, like why I am here, so I am here because I made a promise to myself when I was 14 that I will never stop whatever the circumstances are, whatever it is. I will never stop until I turn my vision into reality. Thank you.
Thank you, Dushyant. Thank you. Now, can we have the AV, please?
I hail from a very small town called Bhagalpur in Bihar. I profoundly believe in myself and my positive approach with great willpower and confidence. I profoundly believe in myself and my positive approach with great willpower and confidence sets me apart. And that is the only reason why I am standing before you all. The journey of OMG has been a thrilling experience because of the takeaways that will be taken back home, and the guidance of the supremely talented mentors at OMG have added an invaluable validation to the entire journey. And to talk about myself, I feel it's been a very, very fine experience, a very good experience. this journey. And I would like to thank everyone, my friends, my family who have supported me to be here. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shushmita. Calling up next, Vishal Shetty from Mumbai.
Very good afternoon to all the members present here. My name is Vishal Shetty, and I have been born and brought up in this beautiful city of dreams, Mumbai. Everyone says they have a childhood dream to become an actor and a model, but I have been trying to pursue this dream since my childhood. And after I have accomplished all my academics and I have got my chartered accountant degree, I think it's time for me to pursue my childhood dream to be an actor and model. I just wanted two rules in my life. Number one, it's never too late to follow your dreams. Number two, if you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working for it. And this has been my journey. As you saw, my journey has been excellent. It's very much a lot to learn. The entire journey has been full of excitement, entertainment, and lots of learning. I think now it's time for me to pursue my career in full into acting and modeling. And this is my opportunity. OMG gave me this platform to pursue my acting as a full-time talent. And I think I want to fulfill my career through this OMG pageant right now. Thanks so much.
Tinisha. Can we have the EV, please?
And I took the one less traveled by, and that made all the difference. Good evening, everybody. I am Titisha Thakkar from Mohali, Punjab. And these were the lines from one of my favorite poems, the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. It is my favorite poem not only because of how beautifully it is written, but also because how I relate to it a lot. I relate to it because I find myself at a similar pedestrian route in life right now. And I believe that all of you dignitaries also sitting here today must have been at a similar point of and it is with OMG today that I find myself having such a wonderful platform to embark upon my journey in such a safe space and to nurture my dreams further. I'm truly, really grateful for this opportunity, and I would like to thank you all for coming here today and encouraging all of us young talents in going ahead in life and pursuing what we truly want to pursue. Apart from this, I'm somebody who's always wanted to passionately follow her dreams, and as I grew, so did my fondness for the fashion and entertainment industry, and that's how I went on to pursue my degree from NIFT. And after that, it is here today that I find myself standing here in front of you all and proudly representing to all the people who nagged my parents for being or having a single girl child. And I want to show them all someday that what an impact a single woman can make in society single-handedly. And it is with OMG that I wish that maybe today, no matter what the results are, I want to go back and be somebody who represents herself and goes ahead with the journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tinisha.
From behind the camera to in front of it, I've explored many trades I've always believed in myself. Namaste, I'm Anushka Chauhan from Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. As an underconfident child who suffered from inferiority complex, I found comfort in the corner of creativity, where I was exposed to the world of fashion, which fascinated me to an extent that brick by brick, I built my confidence. This drive and passion drove me to pursue fashion communication from Lift Gandhinagar. Today, I'm a marketing executive in one of the renowned lifestyle companies. I professionally practice modeling and styling. I'm extremely enthusiastic and ambitious, but coming from a small tribe called Jansal, I was always taught to be humble and ethical. I've explored many trades and many shades of the world, from sowing a seed to building a VM, from walking on a ram to working for Indian artisans, to serve and promote women healthcare hygiene, to becoming the finalist of OMG Face of the Year. When I looked at my journey, I realized how we evolved and groomed ourselves. We explored the things which we didn't know about ourselves. Opportunity with such enriching experiences makes me feel fortunate. I believe in the spirit of miracle. Therefore, I always keep my best foot forward with grace, diligence, and strength. Thank you.
Thank you, Anushka.
Tatho Pinde, Yatho Pramane. The way you are from within, so is the manifested world. Good afternoon, respected judges, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Samarthya Gupta. I'm 23. I belong to the city of Great Temples, Jammu. I strongly believe in one thing. If you really want something in life, you should be completely devoted to the process. As if you want flowers, you just don't think about them. You just water them, manure them, give them sunlight every day. Eventually, the flowers will blossom. Similarly, in my OMG journey and in my life, I cherish every moment and I give fullest. I cherish every moment and I give fullest to every moment. Eventually, the results will blossom. Thank you, OMG, for giving me this platform, and thank you. Wish you a great time ahead.
Thank you. सभी कंटेस्टेंट को एक बार बताना चाह जो क्वेश्चन को बताया गया था आपको
I was actually talking about the experiences that I had from OMG because after the COVID, when there was no hope in the field of fashion industry, OMG came into existence that brought out the best.
Google ji, Google yaar.
Thank you so much, sir. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to the prestigious jury and my competitors. A big round of applause to everyone who's made this event such a grand pleasure. Hats off to everyone. It's a pleasure being here, and I'm here because I have a dream and I'm chasing it. I'm here because representing my country has been the vision, and this is my first step towards it. I'm here because I'm very, very passionate about fashion and fitness, and Mr. India justifies everything that I aspire to be. The road ahead is not an easy one, but it's not even close to how tough I am, right? So, too many reasons and roadblocks to not be here, but not one good enough. But not one good enough for me to not achieve and go ahead and try whatever I want to in my life. And I think you might have not known me when I walked in, but I'm sure that won't be the case when I walk out. Thank you. My name is Gokul. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Chennai.
Thank you, Gokul.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम पूजा सिंह है। मैं 21 वर्ष की हूँ, उत्तर प्रदेश बरेली शहर से, जो कि झुमका सिटी की नाम से फेमस है। मैं अपने हर कार्य को धैर्य और समर्पण के साथ पूर्ण करती हूँ। यही मेरी सबसे बड़ी ताकत है। मैं यह विचार रखती हूँ, सफलता पाने के लिए आत्मविश्वास और जुनून का होना बहुत आवश्यक है। यही मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी प्रेरणा है। OMG मेरी जिंदगी के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, इसलिए क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे आने के लिए बहुत ही मेहनत और सफलता से यहाँ तक पहुंची। थैंक्स टू OMG, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you all. Judges, that was the first round, which was the introduction round. बहुत ही important है जो सिखाई है परिमल मेहता जी ने। तो परिमल सर, I would like to invite you on stage, please. जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। परिमल सर, थैंक्स लॉट। मतलब इतना जबरदस्त इवेंट आपने खड़ा किया है हम सबके लिए। मतलब कोविड से जो कॉमन देखी वो थी फिट रहना। वो तो हम तो देखो अभी भी मैं पनीर टिक्का कहाँ घूम रहा वो
मुझे भागना पड़ेगा।
मतलब आप भी मेरे साथ हो इस चीज के लिए। लेकिन परिमल सर, आप क्या कहना चाहते हो? फाइनली इट्स हैपनिंग। टॉप न्यूट्रिशन प्रेजेंट्स OMG फेस ऑफ द ईयर। इट्स हैपनिंग। इट्स योर बेबी।
Yes, Top Up presents OMG Face of the Year. It couldn't have happened with people like Top Up, Skinworks, who believed in me first. I still remember during the lockdown, हम ये सोच रहे थे कि कुछ करना है, for there's a lot of talent in India, for sitting in the house, not doing anything. तो क्या करें? So me and my founder, Rohit Reddy, हम दोनों ने बैठ के बहुत सोचा कि कुछ ऐसा करते हैं जहाँ से we can actually see a lot of people showcasing their talent from home. जब घर से इतनी सारी चीजें हो रही थी तो why not a contest? We got scared in a lot of things. बहुत आए दिन Instagram पे बहुत सारे छोटे-मोटे contest हो रहे थे, and we were like always thinking, can we do it? We were not sure about it. धीरे the things went up. We started developing the website. We started talking to partners. I remember the first time I went to Preeti and I told her, okay, Preeti, you're doing something like this. She said, what do you want me to do? Tell me that. I'm there for you. And she gave me the wings to start. Then after a lot of struggle, a lot of things going on, where every day was a glitch to understand कि online पे attract कैसे करें लोगों को, how to get them confidence. Are we fake? Are we genuine or fake? There were a lot of DMs going up and down to people. So everything was a good learning. जहाँ ये पता चलता था कि what are the challenges you can get to do something like this as a platform. Sooner or later, this entire bandwidth was joined by Top Up, where I just spoke to Kali Charan and we told him that this is the concept. He just said, wow, this is very good, and I'll always be a part of this, and I want to be a part of this as a title sponsor. And I said, wow. I think that day we all jumped out of our seats in the office, and I called him 2 times at night. I was sure you're going ahead with us. He said, yes, Baba, I'm coming up with you for this OMG. And it was always the vision. But the biggest thing behind all this, of course, you always say that हर सक्सेसफुल चीजों के लिए पीछे औरत का हाथ होता है। तो यस, माय डियर वाइफ, who's been always very patient, very wonderful, and she's been always sitting at home. The last few days I'm only digitally meeting her. I'm only Zoom meeting her every day that I'm coming home at 3:30, 4:30. So that's what it is all about. But had it not been she next to me and giving me the courage that you go ahead to work, it would have never happened. So she's always a silent, person who always I talk a lot, so she keeps silent. So OMG is all about giving a platform to contestants, giving everyone wings to understand, to give an unbiased platform. That's what we came up as Blank Canvas. That in India there are a lot of talents who need wings, who need the right platform to showcase. So we have believed in starting this journey. I'm very blessed. We were talking right now that today is the first time Miss India, Miss Universe has got the title crown back home after 21 years. And it's the first day of initially we are starting Top Up Presents OMG Face of the Year powered by Skinworks. And this has been the wonderful journey for me. And the biggest thing which happened out of this is people like all these people who are standing here who just came on a call away and I just called up one by one, and the jury just multiplied. We actually thought of starting with only 3 people in the jury. And then dheere, no, we need to make it challenging, and everybody joined. And it is so good to see this panel, which I always wish that always it has to be very tough for the contestants to be just. They should really have a scare. We should not make it so easy. And it's so good to see that all of you are a part of the jury. Our heartwarming, thank you for coming up and being and standing by you. Thanks. And the last, not the least, my team, who's been always been sleepless nights, who've been just working, they've not slept a lot, and they've been just working. So, apologies for some technical glitches, but basically they have really slogged themselves a lot. Every day they get my filing in the office very badly, then I get into the office and they get shoutings. But today, thank you guys, it's all this is because of you guys standing on the next one. So, and last one which to join this journey was RBCJ Media. I can't stop thanking Aziz. Aziz ko pakadna mushkil hi nahi, namumkin hai. You know that's the one thing which I tell him always. But he last time let go of sweet message that I though couldn't be a lot around you, but next year I promise you that we will be around you. And that's the confidence I got from all my partners who've been standing by me and saying that this is not stopping, this is not just the end of the season. Let's go to season 2 now. So thank you very much for all of you being here. And it's a great pleasure to have all of you, and especially Vindhya Tiwari and Amit Tyagi, to accept our invitation to be a jury today. I hope you are liking and enjoying the show. And thank you very, very much.
Thank you, sir. मैं आपको 2 मिनट के बाद वापस बुलाना चाहता हूँ. Let's have a AV right now. Audio. So we have a special message right now.
Can we replay this, please, with the words?
We have a very special message from Rohit Reddy, and the audio. अब मैंने lip sync भी नहीं कर सकता, so.
No, I have heard it, so I'll tell you what he said. So it's all about Rohit missing out on this journey today because he had to fly to Dubai all of a sudden. So he is wishing all the 10 contestants, all the very best, and he knows what happens when we both are put up to make this thing happen. Every used to pull my hair and say, Parimal, this is not proper, this is not proper. I was not a digital person. He made me. So all thanks to him that he's standing by me and he's made this thing happen along with all of you. Thank you.
So, sir, I would like to meet you be on stage again. Since I'm here, also let's felicitate our very jury members. To begin with, I would like to call upon Kalicharan Chaudhary and Nalin Nanavati ji for the founders of Top Up Nutrition. Give a huge round of applause to all our sponsors and jury. Yeah, sir.
Thank you. A warm welcome to all of you. And first of all, I must thanks to Mr. Parimal and entire team of OMG who has given us opportunity to collaborate. Yes, to the organization, we are 3 years old and we have brought simple science-based medicines which are for well-being and nutrition. If you find the products of Top Up Nutrition, these are all US-based technology of effervescent which are into the arena of well-being, right? That's about our company, and love you all, and we are happy to be part of this. Right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, any words from you? मैं ही ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ ना सर आज. Give a huge round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I would like to call upon Dr. Preeti Shahai, who is the Managing Director, Skinworks, also a dermat and also a cosmetologist. And most beautiful. देखो मैं भूल गया शब्द इनको देखने के बाद ये हो गया. Yeah, please.
Thanks for the beautiful introduction, Parimal. But I think it was a year ago when Parimal just walked into my clinic and said, Preeti, I'm planning this contest. Would you like to participate and, be a powered partner? And
I believe in this concept because this is actually my first as a sponsor to any event. So why not with something which is, trying to hunt talent right from the interiors of all over India, and we saw like so many participants from 5,000 to 2,500, and today we have 10. And it makes me feel really proud to be associated to this beautiful event. And Parimal believed in me. That's also a big. I thank him for that. And I'm sorry. And today he's been very kind to me because I think I'm looking good.
Coming up next, I would like to call upon Mr. Amit Tyagi, who is the executive editor of Aaj Tak. सारी खबरें इनकी वजह से पहुंचती है, सो एक बार जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए इनके लिए।
आज की सबसे बड़ी खबर ये है कि हमारे देश में 21 साल बाद 10 यूनिवर्स वापस आ गए। So I was telling Parimal what सुबह से मैं उसी खबर पे लगा हुआ था and judging the talent. I hope बाकी अभी पेशेंट भी वापस आए तो आज की अच्छी खबर के साथ we start this video for you today. Thank you so much and such a nice hospitality arrangement. I'm looking forward to some more talent. And I think crown वापस आना चाहिए है ना कविता? Yes. The crown should come home now. सारी crowns इंडिया में. And I think I'm happy to see अभी शौर्य अभी हमारे देश का नाम ऊंचा करके आया है. तो so happy that our country is like shining and making us proud.
Thank you, sir. Now, मतलब जिन्हें हमने टीवी पर तो देखा ही है, जिनकी खूबसूरती के बारे में हम क्या बोले, है ही सर। देखो मैं भी शब्द भूल रहा ऐसा लग रहा है। Let's call upon विंध्या तिवारी मैम।
Hi everyone. It's an extreme pleasure, Parimal, to be here. I'm so thrilled and excited to see all these girls and boys, so much of confidence and ease they're working. Today, yes, Amit, today this is a proud day for us because after 21 years we've got the crown back, and this is the platform where we create, glitters with shine. So we really look forward that we get some real good talent so that again and again, India just shine everywhere and we all are proud of this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, मैम। वहाँ देखा हो तो आपको शायद दिखेंगे जरूर। तो चलिए उन्हीं को बुलाते हैं। राजेंद्र जैन, who is the managing director of Swallow.
Good evening, everyone. Once again, my hearty congratulations to Parimal Mehta and the entire team of OMG for creating such a beautiful event. Personally, I always believe in passion, and whatever I am today, and whatever I have achieved in my life, it's all because of my passion. And due to this passion, I got a beautiful friend, a passionate and beautiful soul, Mr. Parimal Mehta. Hence, I also would like to suggest or advise the finalists, keep their passion alive and keep it high. Whoever keeps the passion at a high note, that will be the winner of today. So, thank you so much.
Now I would like to call upon Mr. Vinod Reddy from Biceps. I guess Jagdish and Vivek Kumar ji are present here, right? I would like to call upon Mr. Sachin Subale, who is the GM of Retail, McAfee. Sachin ji. Thank you, sir. Mr. Pankaj Kharbanda, who is the President, Rural Road, India and West India.
Pankaj is not around. We are privileged to have Shaurya, who's just won Mr. World Tourism this year and got the trophy back. And I'm very proud to say that this guy was pushed by me to go to Rural Mr. India that you please participate. I've actually counseled him so much, and his Blank Canvas can take full credits on this, that he is one of our inventions to send to this platform. I've taken credit automatically.
Anyway. So even before campus, I was part of that is where the journey started. So it's all because of the membership that you have given, that that I've shined a day later. So thank you very much, Mr. Parvan Mehta, and thank you for always enlightening me, believing in me, and giving me, showing me the path where to go. So thank you so much, guys.
मतलब सर यही घर से ही प्रोडक्शन अच्छा जा रहा है, मतलब तो हम इजीली तो हम जीत रहे. Coming up next, Carl Sequeira from the Garrison Bistro, who is the founder of Garrison Bistro. Stanley, do we have Stanley? ये इवेंट जहाँ हो रहा है, इतनी अच्छी जगह है, इतनी बहुत ही प्यारी जगह है, यहाँ पे कभी तो आऊँगा पार्टी करने, डिस्काउंट है ना मुझे? Give a huge round of applause for Mr. Stanley.
Yes, guys. Good evening, all. So it's 4 p.m. already. So first of all, I like to say thank you to Parimal sir. It was such a wonderful journey what we have witnessed till now. And it was my first experience, with the shooting and stuff. So, and I must say this, your entire team is great. You're so energetic, people around, they have been coordinating with us so well, and such a wonderful jury we have here today. And don't forget Garrison Bistro. It's a party headquarters. Okay, after the hard day of work, you all must come and party with us. Okay, enjoy our food and drinks. We are very pocket friendly. Okay, I must see you all very soon. That's my message. Okay, and we 150 people capacity sitting, 4 to 500 can go easily. Okay, so you all must come. Sir, please.
Sir, मैं तो अभी इस शो के बाद
anytime. Thank you so much, guys.
Thanks. Now I'd like to call upon Alan John from Oran International. I guess Pooja is there on behalf of Alan John.
Can we have Pooja from the backstage to come and select your
सारे लड़कों और लड़कियों को रेडी करने की पूरी टीम ओरान इंटरनेशनल की है. Thank you. Now I'd like to call upon Wabins Mehta, an esteemed jury member.
I just want to give a huge shout out to all the contestants. I mean, it's commendable that they've come from the interiors of India and they're still on par with any first-tier city. This is an amazing platform you created for them, so you should take a bow. And I'm extremely happy to be associated with it. Thank you.
They are actually a blessing to me in my life. Ever since I met them and whenever I've told them that listen, blank canvas, we need to be mentors, we need to train, we need to train. Every time this couple has a beautiful smile, say, yes, sure, why not? And they never come back to say that, no, I'm not going to do this, we're not going to come on this day. Every time they're just a call away. And this time, the biggest challenge was digitally, how do we train these people walking? You know, and we remember that we'll be talking that how we make this thing walk, how we, and they very cool, said, don't worry, leave it on us, we'll do it. And they actually made it happen. So huge round of applause for them.
मतलब माँ बाप ने तो हमें चलना सिखाया लेकिन ढंग से किसी कैसे चलना है तो इनसे सीखे।
First of all, OMG, Parimal, and the whole team, brilliant job, man. Brilliant that you guys have created such a wonderful platform for the contestants, like 2,500 entries, then the top 10, and it's amazing that this is created at such a level when, not much had been happening in fashion or the glamour industry. The first digital pageant hunt, and it's a major success as you can see, and thank you for associating with us as well, and we are grateful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Parimalji, OMG, Face of the Year, and Blank Canvas for having us on board. It's been amazing associated with. And all the best to all the contestants who are here. I wish you all the best, and thank you so much.
बजट अच्छा सर हमारा यहाँ पे। I would like to call upon REC.
I wanted to sit here also. He's saying मैं पीछे अच्छा हूँ, मैं backstage अच्छा हूँ, ऐसे कुछ नहीं चलने वाला है। आज बोलना भी पड़ेगा और बैठना भी पड़ेगा. Because it's very difficult to get him on the call.
It's not like that. But when Parimal came to me like with the idea of OMG, like it's exciting being a larger social media platform. We interact with the creators on a daily basis. We get a lot of people are reaching out to us for the web series and the digital content. And Parimal से मिलने के बाद एक चीज मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी कि the way he actually इनका जो सारा process था digitally, how exactly he went by selecting the process and how exactly he done it on without any backup support. So there we came in as we wanted to take this to a different level altogether. As a Parimal said, okay, this year can be a trial test. I was not so much confident about this initially, but when actually this event come out so well, I am most confident that it's going to be a big one in 2022. Not only this, we look forward for OMG Digital Creator of the Year, OMG Male, and lot of kids, women, and all so much in the 2020. Thank you so much, Parimal, and huge round of applause to the entire team of Black Canvas who worked day and night. And thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. तो हमारे इतने अच्छे रिस्पॉन्स
them down. What do you have to say?
I'm overwhelmed. Honestly, all the 5 participants were so great. I was not really expecting this, and this has come out of a shock. But
Stand. No, it's okay. Sit down.
We'll do video once again.
I would like to correct you first. It's Titiksha.
Titiksha.
Right.
Titiksha.
So hello everyone, I am Titiksha, now OMG Face of the Year 2021, and I'm really grateful and fortunate to have this title with me, and I hope that I live on to it.
Very good. Before we go to the other contestants, पूरी एक journey रही आज आप winner के साथ बैठे हैं. With your hard work, what do you like to say?
I'm just relaxed right now because it's over. I mean, the first season is just done. We're just starting their journey now. I mean, although I know that I don't have time anymore for relaxation, but this journey has taught me a lot of things. It's taught me everything to do with how a talent is expecting, what are the talents, where are they coming from, what are their mindsets, and it's so beautiful that this journey could help us understand a lot of people, a lot of candidates, and there they are, the winners who are chosen by the jury and by the overall weightage of everything what they did right from the start till the end. We were very nervous till yesterday, who's going to be, who's not going to be the winner, because all 5, as I said, were winners for me. But I'm glad that whatever jury chose, whatever we have overall ratings, have really justified each and everyone who's won whichever positions. I'm really very relaxed, honestly speaking.
अनुष्का आपकी कैसी रही journey?
I believe it was very great experience to learn. और हाँ, ये जर्नी मेरी जनवरी से शुरू हुई थी और दिसंबर में जाके ख़त्म हुई है, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने के लिए मिली. बहुत सी चीज़ें आई बिलीव कि हमने आपस में सीखी. जो कंटेस्टेंट अब यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचे, हमने उनसे भी सीखी. सर ऑफ कोर्स was a great inspiration for all of us. He was throughout the journey. He was pushing us, telling us what are the areas where we can improve. So yes, it was a great learning experience.
अनुष्का आज second runner up है, आप announcement हुआ है, your space. Pooja, what do you have to say for that?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे सेकंड रनर अप की पोजीशन जीत के, क्योंकि सबने मेरा काफ़ी हेल्प करी आगे बढ़ने के लिए. थैंक्स टू प्रमोद सर, उन्होंने मेरी इतनी मदद करी, हम सबकी मदद करी, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें सिखाई हमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए. थैंक यू.
आगे की क्या प्लानिंग है? क्या आप लोग कोई शो करने वाले हैं, टेलीविजन या फिल्म, वेब सीरीज? व्हाट इज योर प्लानिंग फर्दर, या रियलिटी शो स्क्रिप्ट मिला?
अभी फिलहाल तो ये मोमेंट हम
जीना चाहेंगे,
उसके बाद जो हमारी राह में आए उसे ज़रूर, अगर आता है तो क्यों नहीं, बेशक.
Thank you so much.
It's still at a loss of words to fathom that I've actually made it. It's been an incredible experience, all thanks to Parimal sir for actually starting this when there was a scarcity of opportunities, when people were actually trying to reach out. We were in the middle of a pandemic, and sir had this brilliant idea to create a platform where people can explore their potential, and true talent can actually come out from anywhere, regardless of which city you are, it's just incredible. It's an incredible feeling. Thank you so much, Prof.
I'm sure it's like a pride and moment of proud for you to take this forward now in life with OMG Crown. What do you have to say?
For me, it's a beautiful journey because for me, I'm a student of life. I love to gather and put experience in my catalog. So for me, it's still going through every round because it happened online. Or the whole concept was starting the online thing because of the lockdown. So I believe it's the right way of using the technology. It's thanks to Parimal sir and the whole team, because it's such a beautiful concept to explore your own potential, to fill your gaps in some way. So I'm really thankful to the whole team. And for me, I would just say it's just a learning for me. It's a beautiful experience. And yes, it's just a new beginning. Thank you.
So Samantha, what's in store now next going forward?
I am just a learner, so whatever best opportunity comes my way, I'm gonna take it after this, because I want to become an actor. I just try to hone my skills and I'm into acting, so it's just a first step that I've taken.
Akshay, What do you have to say? I'm sure it's like a long year-long journey, right from virtual to reality now. What do you have to say?
मैम इस कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए हम 1 साल से तैयारी कर रहे थे और मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा जो जर्नी थी हर स्टेप इसमें एक लर्निंग थी मेरे लिए और OMG की टीम परिमल सर दे ऑल हैव बीन वेरी सपोर्टिव थ्रू आउट एंड आई हैव एंजॉयड द प्रोसेस और आगे आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स एज आई एम इनटू एक्टिंग एंड मॉडलिंग एज वेल सो मैं आगे और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के लिए वेट करूँगा.
So encouraging, where do you see your talent going forward from here?
Oh, the fact of starting OMG Face of the Year was to give a platform to all types of talent, be it from acting, be it from modeling, be it from singing, dancing, and that's the reason we had different types of contests, different types of levels. What I'm wishing is not only for my top 3 contestants today, but to all the top 10, top 20, top 40 who have been there, who learned something from this journey and taken forward to different levels. All we are set to take these people, these fabulous talents ahead in different fields of dancing, acting, in the field of media, in the field of web series, movies. All we want is they grow by the next year. By the time they come for season 2 and crown the next people, as I always used to tell them yesterday, they start dreaming of the year 2 when you'll come and you'll crown. Is the time they are actually have achieved, and we also could show some AVs about them that this is their journey of 1 year. So I'm looking from them. I'm super excited for my boys as well.
Likewise, sir.
Can you have everybody for visuals now?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you so much. How are you?
I am great, thank you. The question for today is, what is the hardest part about winning and what is the hardest part about losing?
Thank you so much for the question, sir. I would say the hardest part about winning is because when you win, people already have they already set an expectation for you to behave in a way that you expect from you. So it is sometimes difficult for the winner to actually satisfy the public, satisfy the people what they are expecting out of you. So I think that is the hardest part of being a winner. And hardest part of losing, I don't think there is the hardest part of losing, because if you take losing in a positive way, it will actually mold you into a better person because of the experiences that you face. Yes, and it will make you, it will prepare you for the whatever life throws at you. So I would say that, yeah.
And will you come back again if you win tonight?
If only the organization allow me to, I will definitely come back, yes.
Thank you so much.
Now, sir, I request you to also ask any other questions to Shubha. Because we'll be doing...
The viewers will ask all the 5 contestants and then I'm going to come in and do my...
So, well, sir, next question.
Okay. Next question. Fine. How are you doing?
The training has been really nice, and I've known Parimal for almost 2 years now. It's always great associating with him. Very hard-working human being. He puts his heart and soul in a project. So yeah, it's beautiful, and I wish all the best to the contestants.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
But tell us about the whole, experience of putting one together, and today you are the finale. You have the best people winning already. What do you have to say?
As we are heading towards crowning and deciding the who's the Mr. and Miss OMG, it gives me great pleasure कि इतना बड़ा सफर 1 साल से जो हम तय कर रहे थे digitally, it has been a wonderful journey कि आज हमने उसको एक अच्छा मुकाम दिया. हमने पूरी दुनिया से, देश भर में से अच्छे टैलेंट को ढूंढा, तराशा और आज यहाँ पे हमने एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया. इससे बेटर
आई डू नॉट थिंक कि हम कोई डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म को इतना प्रमोट कर सकते थे जहां से 22,000 28,000 रजिस्ट्रेशन से 2,500 लोगों को निकालना और उनमें से भी ये टॉप 5 बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स को निकालना. इट वॉज अ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट जॉब बट वी थॉट ऑफ डूइंग इट. इसका एक सिंपल चीज़ है, इंडिया में आज भी बहुत जगह पे टैलेंट्स है जिन टैलेंट को आज भी एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिल रहा है, स्पेशली कमिंग फ्रॉम द BC टाउन सिटीज. अगर हम उस टैलेंट को आगे नहीं लाएंगे तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट वी आर डूइंग जस्टिस टू द टैलेंट विच इज सिटिंग इन द B and C class cities. So my objective for doing this with my co-founder Rohit Reddy is only this, that कि हम दोनों को चाहिए कि दुनिया के बहुत सारे टैलेंट बॉम्बे में आए, मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज में आए और अपना परचम लहराए. और इसी से वी वांट टू टेल देम मेक एवरीबody go OMG. Thank you.
Attending and witnessing such lovely talent from all over the country and OMG finale today.
I am so happy to be here, and first of all, Parul, thank you so much for having me, and Parimal sir, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I'm so happy कि एक तो पैंडेमिक के बाद में इस चीज़ का होना और इस ग्रैंड तरीके से होना बहुत बड़ी बात है. और डिजिटली मतलब मैं भी पूरा शो देख रही हूँ और डिजिटली जिस हिसाब से डबूचा के साथ में, रोहित के साथ में जिस तरह से कनेक्ट करवा के उनको बूस्टअप किया है, जितने भी हमारे कंटेस्टेंट हैं, आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड आई एम सो प्राउड कि मैं परिमल सर आपने मुझे बुलाया यहाँ OMG के प्लेटफॉर्म पर. आई एम सो हैप्पी.
Thank you. Thank you.
And all the best for future. I'm sure कि आप इसके बाद सेकंड अपना सीजन जरूर करेंगे. And
Thank
all
you
the
so
best.
much.
But today crowd जो है इंडिया में वापस आया after almost 2 decades and more. What do you have to say about that?
21 साल के बाद वी आर फेसिंग दैट मिस यूनिवर्स का टाइटल हमारे इंडिया में वापस आया थैंक्स टू हरनाथ सांडू. एंड इसी ऑस्पिशियस डे आई एम वेरी ग्लैड एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. आज सवेरे मेरी मॉर्निंग बहुत अच्छी रही थी. आई वाज वेरी नर्वस बट टुडे लुकिंग एट द क्राउन कमिंग बैक टू इंडिया ऑफ मिस यूनिवर्स, we are also setting a stepping stone ahead to get the best person to move forward for India and to go to other countries. OMG एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म रहने वाला है जो हमेशा अच्छे टैलेंट को आगे भी लाएगा एंड ऐसे ही हम ट्राई करेंगे कि बहुत अच्छे टैलेंट्स को देश भर से ढूंढें और आगे भेजें इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज टू गेट द क्राउन फॉर अस बैक.
So जब आपने OMG conceptualize किया था, ये लॉकडाउन का कॉन्सेप्ट है और वर्चुअली हुआ है, तो क्या चैलेंजेस फेस किए आपने, कैसे पूरा प्रोजेक्ट बनाया?
The reason of doing this complete OMG was कि हम घर बैठे लोगों को एक मौका दे अपने टैलेंट दिखाने का. लेकिन हमने जैसे जैसे हर एक स्टेप लिया इस डिजिटल वर्चुअल IP पे, हमने देखा कि OMG में बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस आए, बहुत सारे टेक्निकली चीज थी. जैसे ऑफ ग्राउंड एक्टिविटीज में आप सीधा सीधा एक शो को रन करते हैं, वो इतना ईजी नहीं था. एवरी डे हमने कोई ना कोई टेक्निकल चैलेंजेस को देखा, परखा और ये भी सोचा कि राउंड्स कैसे इंटरेस्टिंग बनाया जाए. इसमें सबसे बेस्ट था कि जैसे आज के ज़माने में लोग डिजिटली वीडियोस बहुत बनाते हैं, रील्स बहुत बनाते हैं, हमने हर राउंड का एक ऐसा सेक्शन रखा जहाँ पे उन्हें अपने राउंड का प्रेजेंटेशन भी करना है प्लस अच्छे से डिजिटली हमें प्रस्तुत भी करना है. अगर डिजिटली वो सही ना करे तो इसमें बहुत सारे क्वालिफिकेशंस और उनको नॉकआउट राउंड्स में निकाला भी गया है अगर उन्हें टेक्निकली सही नहीं किया तो. इससे उनकी नॉलेज खुद की भी बढ़ती है कि वो टेक्निकली सही चीज़ें करें और घर बैठ के कुछ सीखें. थैंक यू.
रूटिंग अप सम ऑफ द कंटेस्टेंट्स, क्योंकि मैंने उस दिन भी कहा था जब हमारी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही थी कि मुझे 1-2 पार्टिसिपेंट्स बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग लगे और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसे जो प्लेटफॉर्म होते हैं वो हमारे देश के लिए कुछ बहुत ही ग्लिटरिंग स्टार्स दे सकते हैं. तो अनुष्का, आई रिमेंबर शी इज़ फ्रॉम गांधीनगर इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, सो आई वाज रूटिंग फॉर हर. आज उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा रैंप पर चली, उन्होंने जवाब दिया बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली, वो सबके सामने निकल कर आए एंड आई एम वेरी ग्लैड. और समर्थ मेरे फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट हैं मेरी तरफ से. अभी तक अनाउंसमेंट नहीं हुई है लेकिन मुझे समर्थ और अक्षय, तिथिया, अनुष्का, पूजा, एक्चुअली सारे ही बहुत अच्छे थे बट कुछ नाम ऐसे लगे मुझे कि बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग है. और इट्स अ ग्रेट वे, क्योंकि कोरोना के बाद वी ऑल वर थिंकिंग कि जो रॉ टैलेंट्स हैं अपने अपने छोटे छोटे शहरों में बैठे हैं वो कैसे दे कैन कम हियर इन बॉम्बे एंड सो आई थिंक परिमल जी हैज़ डन फैंटाबुलस जॉब, उनकी पूरी टीम ने, सो दैट जो वहाँ के रॉ टैलेंट्स हैं छोटे शहर के, मैं भी छोटे शहर से हूँ तो मुझे पता है हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज़ टू बी इन मुंबई to be here, meeting all the celebrities, and obviously getting clicked with Dabbu Ratnani ji because he's a very experienced photographer. So I'm sure this experience will count और उनका जो स्ट्रगल वाला दौर है वो थोड़ा छोटा हो जाएगा और they can make really big in their lives. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Approach, when it comes and being a media personnel, you've always been encouraging, fashion people, talent. आज आप jury में हैं OMG की, what would you like to say?
Well, I started covering fashion when India's first fashion channel was launched. So fashion, most of the people, as a journalist, they look down on fashion. You cover fashion because journalism is generally associated with the mainstream crime and politics. But I think entertainment also, besides Bollywood, has a lot of different facets, be it fashion, television, grooming, beauty. I think these are the new dimension that's coming up, and I think I got an opportunity to do something in that field, which always has been my passion. So as a journalist, it's not a compulsion that I cover only crime and politics. It's my choice. I'm here an entertainment journalist because I love cinema, I love celebrities, I love fashion, and I think this occasions allow me to do that. And here, this was a beautiful evening by Mr. Parimal Mehta and his whole team. I had a wonderful time, some really nice talent, and what a day, today India got its Miss Universe after 21 years. And here I'm judging a talent, you never know. One of them may be the next Mr. India, International Miss Universe, Miss World. Sky is the limit. Fashion, I think journalist होने की वजह से, I'm talking to the journalist generally. We meet a lot of people, we talk to a lot of people, so I think fashion is very important because when we meet somebody, people look at you by what you're wearing, and of course your personality is the key. First impression, the last impression. I think being fashionable, being updated, being nice and presentable is the key, and fashion teaches you exactly that. Well, सारे contestants बहुत अच्छे थे, and सबसे खास बात थी कि सब लोग छोटे-छोटे शहरों से आए थे, भागलपुर से, नागालैंड से, जम्मू से, जयपुर से. तो अच्छी बात है कि बॉम्बे और दिल्ली में ही टैलेंट नहीं है. छोटे-छोटे शहरों में हमारे बहुत सारा टैलेंट है. आई थिंक यहाँ पर मुझे छोटे-छोटे शहरों का बड़ा टैलेंट देखने को मिला. Thank you.
It was amazing, and I'm so proud to see that talents are coming up with different state of this country. And I was so warm and well to see my garments very well carried by all the contestants. They have justified, yes, we have the guru like the Guru Ratnani sir, yes, of course. And I was really enjoying, and this was a very good opportunity for everybody of us, where we are able to be to the part of the actual industry.
The association with OMG has been very overwhelming, especially at a time when the whole the world was hidden by a pandemic and all the spheres and all the industries of life had come to an halt. It is OMG Black Canvas which made that effort and got so much of positivity in this industry that they could reach out to people on a digitally platform contest, which reached out to so many people all over India. And it's amazing to see that we have such great talent in India, hidden in such small sectors of the country. I mean, we have participants from Bareilly, Mohali, Bihar, and I think it's been a great journey. And I feel really proud to be associated as a sponsored partner for this great project.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The experience was very fabulous. I would like to say that this is the place from where I started my journey. Back in 2020, I'm a winner of Rubru Mr. India 2020 and 2021, and recently अभी सैंटो डोमिंगो में मैं मिस्टर टूरिज्म वर्ल्ड का विनर हो चुका हूँ. परिमल मेहता ने मुझे हमेशा गाइड किया, एंड दिस इज द प्लेटफॉर्म फ्रॉम वेयर माय जर्नी स्टार्टेड. एंड I would like to say that all the participants here are very vibrant. They are from different parts of India and just starting their journey to create a name for themselves. So I would like to wish them all the best. There will be eventually one winner, but they will all be returning back with an experience of a lifetime.
What kind of advice you want to give this contestant?
So the advice that I would like to give from myself is that always keep hustling. There is no end to dream bigger in life. If you keep dreaming, then you will keep delivering.
Okay, apart from this, any upcoming project would you like to share your?
Not really, because I was pretty much occupied with preparing for Mr. World, and it took complete, let's say, 6 to 8 months for me to get into that zone. But now I'm just preparing myself for bigger upcoming project that I will be doing. So currently I'm just pursuing some acting course with Saurabh Sastry.
Okay, are you planning to go Big Boss house in future?
In fact, this year itself, I did get a call from Big Boss, but I had my Mr. Tourism World competition in December, so I had to deny that because वो 3 महीने का contract था, and in between my pageant date was coming. So if next year they call me, I would definitely go for it. Thank you.
एक मिनट who's moving for Gokul? और दूसरा नाम किसका? अब मैंने नहीं बताना, मैं जा रहा हूँ। गोकुल!
It's a wonderful experience for Top Up Nutrition, and the way the entire conceptualization has happened for a digital fashion show is like, you know, we have never seen this happening, right? So all kudos goes to the entire team of OMG, and we are privileged to be part of this entire the event, right? And we look forward for encouraging new talent and those who are hungry for their passion to achieve, right? We always support them. That's where the Top Up also believes. The Top Up in a life, whenever there is a less of micronutrients, you get that topped up by the Top Up Nutrition. Thank you.
So what do you like to say?
Thank you very much to the organizers, OMG and the team. Absolutely wonderful program, and we are proud to be associated with the event which happened. And our product is for the youth, for the all ages, and the product is, you know, available 100% bioavailable effervescent tablets which can be had anytime, anywhere. Just drop, weight, and top up. Thank you.
I was just telling them, it's not about just the people who won. I think all of them have great potential, and it's not just limited to, you know, only the two ones who are going to place are going to go somewhere. All of them have a great amount of potential, and I think all of them are going to be able to generate enough activity and enough jobs in the modeling and fashion industry. I think they all had, I mean, they were amazing. And we're always looking for, like, you know, newer, fresher faces, and I think they fill those brackets.
Actually, the same thing what Bob has to say.
सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स बहुत प्यारे थे, बहुत ही उम्दा काम किया सबने, एंड in spite of not having physical training with us or with Wabis or even shooting with Dabbu ji is like such a big deal, right? It's a dream to be shot with Dabbu Ratnani, and some pictures were outstanding, and just all the best to all of them. They are all winners according to us, and absolutely phenomenal talent has come in the first season of OMG, and we are so proud that we are associated with OMG.
Kavita, you've been at the ramp, you've been so lovely at what you've been doing, and today you saw the winners. What do you have to say?
First of all, congratulations to all the contestants who participated in this contest, OMG, Mr. Parimal Mehta, and Blank Canvas. It's commendable to have the first digital platform like that for them, and उन्होंने इतना hard work किया है. We have seen them from day one, when they were filling the forms, when they were like 2,500, went to like 1,500, then 100, then 50, and we did the training online. So it's commendable कि ऐसे टाइम में उन्होंने इतना hard work किया है, and they all were lovely. They all were really, really lovely, and it's great to be associated with them, and super happy. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.